indicate a particular given number in scientific notation, first of all, you should express them as a number in between 1 to 10. Okay, let's take an example. 25.4. Okay, 25.4. So don't think about the decimal place. Just express this number as a number which is in between 1 to 10. Okay, in between. You should express this number as a value which is located in between 1 to 10. So I can express it as 2.54. Okay, don't think about the decimal place exactly. Let's do that later. First of all, you should express it as a number in between 1 to 10. So we have expressed. Then after it should be multiplied with 10 with a power. Okay, with a particular index. To find that index, you should determine what would be the multiple. Okay, what would be the multiple that will give you 25.4. Okay, 25.4. We know that in scientific notation there are two important parts. Okay, two important components in your answer. First one is a number in between 1 to 10. Next one is a 10, index of 10. Index of 10. So 25.4 can be expressed as 2.54 multiplied with 10. Okay, multiplied with 10. When you multiply this, it will become 25.4. We already know that according to decimal multiplication. So this 2.54 remains same. We can express 10. Okay, 10 with the power of positive 1. With the power of positive 1. Look at this carefully. With the power of positive 1, because the decimal place that just move one digit left hand side. One digit left hand side. So the index for the particular 10, that should be positive 1. That should be positive 1. Let's do another question. Here you have 173.55. Now, without the decimal, I can express this number as 1.7355. 1.7355. Okay. This one as expressed as a number in between 1 to 10 first. Thereafter, how many digits it's moved left hand side? Look at this. 1, 2. The decimal was moved 2 digits left hand side. That means that was divided. So it should be 10 with the power of positive 2. 10 with the power of positive 2. That's all for our scientific notation. Okay. Let's try another example. You have 595,920. First, I'll express this one as 5.920. 5.920. In this question, not like as our previous one, there is no any decimals given. That means if there is no any decimals given in a number, you should determine the decimal is located after the number. Okay, after finishing the last digit of the number, let's conclude our decimals location. So here let's check 1, 2, 3. So when you need to express the total value as a multiple of in between 1 to 10 number, the decimal should move 3 digits left hand side. So 10 with the power of positive 3. 10 with the power of positive 3. This is called as scientific notation. Okay, one last time. Scientific notation means a number that should be located in between 1 to 10. In between 1 to 10, there's a number and with a 10 index. Multiplication of number in between 1 to 10 and with a 10th index. That's called as scientific notation. First one, 752.9. So, it should be here. The decimal should move 1, 2 digits left hand side to make it as a number in between 1 to 10. 7.529 multiplied with 10 with the power of positive 2. That's all. And here 1, 2, 3. It should be here. Number should be located in between 1 to 10, not greater than 10. So it should be 1.1004 multiplied with 10 with the power of positive 3. And next one, I told you here there is no any decimal, so you should conclude the decimal is located after the last digit of this number. Since there are two numbers, the decimal should located after 8. 5.8. 5.8 with power of 10 index positive 1. Next one, look at this. This number is already given as a number in between 1 to 10. So no need to convert it again. So you can keep this number as it is. 8.11 multiplied with 10 with the power of 0 because we didn't change the location of decimal to left hand side or right hand side. So that's why this decimal place value should be remains unchanged. That's why the index you should denote it as 10 with the power of 0. So this is an important thing. And here there is no any decimal. So here it should be the location of this decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be 6 digit move left hand side. 3.51326 multiplied with 10 with the power of positive 6. 10 with the power of positive 6. Up to now, we've discussed about the numbers greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0. You are clear with this. Now let's move to less than 0 numbers and its respective scientific notations.